Slim Whitman, Jim Reeves and Pat Boone. Yes, 22 religious favourites from Peace in the Valley. The perfect Sunday companion for only $4.99.
Hello, it's me. I'm McVitie. It's time to pick the Jaffa cakes. Whoops, they're ripe. The plain chocolate's just the right shade, the sponge is crisp and light, and that smashing, orangey bit in the middle. All ready for you, Jaffa Cake fans.
You always pick Jaffa cakes, don't you?
No, McVitie does.
McVitie's Jaffa Cakes. The pick of the crop.
Sid and Jean used to run a modest sandwich bar. They did okay. Then one day, their lives were changed by the new snack and sandwich toaster from Breville. Sandwiches became hot snacks with sealed-in fillings you can make out of anything.
Scrambled egg and tomato.
Banana Costa coming up.
Special. Cake, it's just like my mother used to make. Hello, Tootie, enjoyed it? It's beautiful. Hello, Tommy.
Cheese and Sparta.
Oh, certainly. Bangers and thieves.
The Breville snack and sandwich toaster for around £20. You'll never want an ordinary sandwich again.
Saturday night, go downtown, see the sights, girls and pinballs, broken bright lights. Wish every day was Saturday night. Coca Cola has life when the lights are bright. Wish every day was Saturday night. Coke has life, Coca Cola adds life.
Where would you find watches by Avia, watches by Seiko, Actim clocks, gold pendants by Lotus, sapphire and diamond rings? Where would you find all these beautiful things? Where you would expect to find everything you value in a jeweller's. James Walker.
They're probably having their supper at home, Grandad, just like us.
You mustn't be homesick, son. Think how warm and cosy we'll be under canvas. Not like out there on the moon. That's the coldest, loneliest place you can imagine. We needed our Heinz vegetable soup there to make us feel better.
What was it like on the moon, Grandad?
Tasted just like this, son. Cheers up no end.
Heinz soup will always make things better.
Friday evening and the Muppet Show's at 7. 3, 2, 1's the countdown to big money prizes at 7:30. And at 8:30, laugh along with the comedians. Special problems call for special tactics at 9 in SWAT. Friday night from ATV. Full details in TV Times. And now from ATV, our movie matinee, Genevieve.